How to change profile picture in Rocket League. So if you want to change the profile picture in Rocket League, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser. And as we know that Rocket League is in the Epic Games, right? So if you want to change the avatar or the picture of your Rocket League, then you need to change it on your Epic Games. So you can just simply open up your Epic Games website, and then you can log into your account and you can change. But if you want to change the in-game avatar, then it's not possible. As you can see that here under the searches, it says that with Epic Games Store version of Rocket League, changing the in-game avatar is not possible. So you won't be able to change the avatar on your Epic Games Store version of Rocket League. And this feature is currently not available for Epic Games account. So unfortunately, you won't be able to change your avatar. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.